dope. Ford GT, see that? That is a very expensive car right there. Yeah, it's a little misty out there today. Yeah, look at this, red light. Bam, bam, 3 of them. And green light for us, and green for us. Nope, no love. Beautiful afternoon out here. Look at all the surfers. In the far background there, you got Santa Monica and Venice. But we are gonna go find some viewpoints. Woo, girl, that sounds nice. Get off your phone. Yeah. That's the same one we caught up, eh? So we'll keep it quiet in this tunnel, okay? Because they're right there. But they're right here, man. They're still there because I got the message from that one biker. Nope. Maybe they're looking for someone, who knows? You guys recognize this from the 701 ride out, and every other year I come here, Stunt Road. It is so beautiful up here. You got that way. And this way, that's actually the ocean touching the clouds. It looks really misty all the way over there by Santa Monica. Check that out. If you guys ever come to LA and I get so many DMs asking what this road is, it's Stunt Road and Saddle Peak Road intersection. Mind blowing. Everyone I bring here. You like it? First time? Beautiful. You know what? I forgot how bad drivers are out here, man. Sometimes I forget because I just fucking lane split past them, you know? And then now that we're kind of riding, I see it more. Woof! See that dog? He's about to bite my hand off. Hey, Calvin, sorry, man. Your clutch lever's gone. A dog bit it. Look at the cyclist, red light. It's a red light, bud! Doesn't give a fuck. Look at that. Who's honking who? Get off your phone and use your indicator! She's on the phone, man. Her phone's in her lap, but she's doing this in front of bikes. What a dumbass, man. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Yours sounds like a sewing machine.